Good afternoon, Las Vegas A's baseball fans. Today is Thursday, June 4th, 2026. I am at the old Tropicana site in Las Vegas that is being currently transformed into a ballpark arena with theaters and a casino and retail shops and restaurants. And right now it's quitting time. There's nobody out here, but what we're doing is we're setting up tomorrow. I wanted to come down and show you guys where we're at today, because tomorrow we're going to be here bright and early. So I'm going to start here at 6 a.m. and we're going to be going over everything. We'll be watching the day start, you know. I mean, we'll be doing the live stream. I'll also do a 4K version that I'll put up a little later. So that's why you guys kind of see things kind of come out and then in the highlights. But it's all fascinating. It's all great to watch. I go back and watch the stuff. It's amazing how fast. It just goes so fast that you know, while we're filming, it's nice to kind of come back and watch what we've done. So let's take a quick recap on where we're at. So earlier this week, today's Thursday, but earlier this week, this was not here. This was on the ground. This is actually on the inside of the baseball field, and it was sitting over there, about not exactly where this Truss is. I don't know if you guys can kind of see on my camera. Look on the baseball cam. They got that working again, I understand. On that baseball cam over there, you can see that they have another truss that they're working inside the field. Now, I'm probably guessing they're going to do a similar thing that they did here, where they put up half of it first and then brought up the other half and attached it later in the afternoon. So since the last time I was here, which was, when was it? Today's on Tuesday. Tuesday I was here. Wednesday I was not here. They did not have this. This is empty. They're starting to bring pieces in. I was showing you guys unloading them off the truck, but now look how much they've got assembled just since Tuesday. And this is Thursday afternoon. So gives you a real clear idea on how quickly this project is rolling along. So the other area of the stadium that they've really been working on is are the bleachers. It's a little hard with the silhouette to see the bleachers, what's going on. But what we have here is we have a set of bleachers right here, and these are the ones that we've been watching them put up because they're right in front of us, and they're doing the same thing on the other side. So it's kind of nice. We have a luxury of seeing them bring the girders up, bring up the steel columns, welding them together. You know, they're kind of like they're falling with the welds over here, and then these guys are doing like the chopping and putting this floor decking in. So there's some sort of aluminum floor decking that they're putting in here. It's very, very slippery from what I understand. So imagine tomorrow morning we'll see more work done on this part of the bleachers here. Now across the way, we've got a set of third base bleachers over here. These are on the third base side, and they're building this right over there by the Excalibur. So they're doing the same thing over there, bringing these braces in. These diagonal braces in to hold up the structure. Man, I'm telling you, when you come in and you drive in and you see this big arch, this This thing is super. It's like, whoa, they're doing something here. It's super impressive. It's super cool. This is where they're welding that stuff in the other day. Sorry, not welding, but bolting it in. And all those pins in place. That thing has to be lined up just perfectly or it's not going to work, huh? So once they got that in, then this thing was basically, the structure was solid. Then they just had to put the rest of the pieces in. So what they've done over here since Tuesday is, well, they've done more of this. They've had this, but they're continuing to deliver steel. So the iron is being delivered right here. Some nice wedges, some W's there. These are the different pieces they've been sending up and over. And over here, kind of more of the same, but these are different. This is that siding piece, it looks like. No, these are the I think these are the steel studs. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me down below. This is the orange creamsicle. They put this down like this at night for safety, I imagine. Bring it down. Rest it. Then you got these pieces here. These are more of the for the bleachers. Weather's starting to get really hot this time of day, so I imagine these guys are gonna starting earlier and earlier. So I'm gonna be here early in the morning for a live stream tomorrow. So today's Thursday, June 4th, 2026. So if you're watching this as I put it up, then we'll be out here in the morning to catch all the action and all the different advances they do so quickly here. I mean, Las Vegas is just a place where they just do construction like you would not believe. They're doing some, I'm not sure if they're putting rebar here. Somebody's saying they might be putting rebar up here. I'm not sure. I have not seen that yet. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the likes and subscribe, and please consider joining the memberships. It's been a great day. We'll see you in the morning.